All right, so in this video, we're gonna be taking a look at this hand truck. All right, so I gotta say this thing is a lifesaver. Got 6 wheels on it, rolls nice and smooth. And here, let's actually come to the ground so I can show you how it works a little better. All right, so right here, taking a look at it, this part goes up, and then you have this part that can move up and down. And if you put this down like this actually allows this handle to stay up on its own. This also gets taller, so this is it down pretty low. Can raise it up higher, but it actually goes even higher. So this is going to be about as high as it goes. Here it is beside me. I'm about 5'11". It comes to about my waist. Now coming on, getting a better look at kind of how it is. So this is how it is, that's just how it is, but this also extends to get longer as well. So yeah, this is going to be about how long it gets. Should you need it to extend, should you have something larger and longer, this is going to be here for that. And I gotta say, this thing is a lifesaver. So if you're on the lookout for something that can carry some weight, I want to say the max capacity is about 500 pounds. I haven't done that much. I've maybe carried some stuff that's up to like 80 pounds on this. But I can say for anything like that, this is going to be good. If you're looking for anything like that, it's going to be solid. This is very simple to fold up. Once again, to bring it down, you just slide this up. Want this to kind of line up in here, and then you want to bring this down as well. All right. And then bring that in, and just like that, it's all folded up. Takes up almost no space, and it is honestly pretty lightweight too. One thing I almost forgot to mention is we also have 2 wheels on here that lock. So just by kicking this down, you can lock it down, and this one does as well. The other 2 are going to kind of spin freely, but these 2 lock down. And then also comes with some bungee cables, so should you want to kind of lock and hold some stuff down, these are very helpful for that as well.